60 rag out. Just doing a little quick video. Gonna go for a little drive real quick. And this one's for you guys back east. 5150 MX VW. We got back there. We got Musty One. He's back. They're all back in New England. These guys are. And you got Dubworks and VW Nut. Anyway, this is California. Just gonna rub it in a little bit. I know you guys are in an ice storm, so figured I'd go for a drive. Yep, it's California. Got the top open. Sun's going down. You can't beat this. You New Englander guys, you don't get to enjoy this nice winter weather. A little bit of wind in your face. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Yeah. Alright, so any of you guys who haven't been in an ice storm, they really suck. You just sit around and wait for the power to go out. And we're out here just driving our V-dubs, having a good day. And this is what we're talking about here, guys. So I didn't get a chance to set up my GoPro. It takes a long time for me to move the movies from the GoPro to the phone, so I just set up my little thingamajig here. Sweatshirt though, I gotta wear a sweatshirt. It's a little bit cool. It's about 60 something, so it's a little cool for me. So we got this nice sunset rolling in here, clouds a little bit, palm trees, and I'm in the slowest car in the world, Volkswagen with a 36 horse, but it's a lot of fun to drive, especially when the top's open. It's a good day for that. Not too hot, not too cold, just right. So I saw the opportunity, gave it a quick hose down, and I didn't even get a chance to really wash it good. I just hosed it off real quick, just had a little dust on it. So, and then I took my Harbor Freight leaf blower, the 40 volt, and blew it off real quick, gave it a quick towel off, and on the road I'm going. Cruising around town, checking it out, crashing the gears. Yep. This is what it's about, guys. Yep, just doing a little cruising. Beautiful day. That generator light goes on dim all the time because I have the 6 volt tail lights and the 12 volt tail lights and 6 volt system, so it's always going to be a little dim. No worries. Charging great. It'd be bright if it wasn't working right. Yep. Good old lowered car. Pretty smooth. Oh, we're moving. You just floor it most of the time in this car. There's like 2 positions for the gas pedal. It's like idle and floor it. That's about it. 36 horse, doesn't have a whole lot of power. The 40 horse with the big bore kit and the rockers, man, that thing moves out. It moves out really good compared to this thing. This thing's a sled. So we'll see what it's like going up this big steep hill. Let's see if this light stays green. We'll be lucky. Of course, I had to slow down for the intersection. Wasn't sure if somebody was going to pop out in front of me. So I'll show you guys how. Of course, I'm speeding because I better speed because I'm going downhill to get up the hill. So let's see how she does. Ooh, got up to 55. Oh, that's floor. That's actually doing pretty good. It's about like my bus was with the 40 horse in it. Bus with a 40 horse big bore kit used to go up this at about, about this speed. I used to make a run at it. It's a pretty good size hill. Would always have to downshift about right up here. We're just about there. Yep, the 36 horsepower is a sled. I might decide to go ahead and get the stroker crank kit for this thing. I'm not sure. I'm going to look into some of that stuff and keep it original looking. Don't you dare go. Be ready to shift there. But keep it original looking, but put the stroker crank in it. They're $500, I think, and then there's a big bore kit, but I'm not sure if they work with the stock head, so I gotta figure all that stuff out, and then just give it some torque so it'll have a little more power to drive around and be kind of more fun. So yeah, she's 40. Well, that's not too bad. We didn't have to downshift. That's really pretty good. Better than I thought it would do. So I'm on the floor, man. That's it. That's all she wrote. Alright, man. I'm gonna cruise around a little more. I'm gonna upload this real quick so you guys back east I can rub it in a little. Musty and all those guys back there and 5150. If you guys aren't subscribed to their channels, you should get on them and check them out. They're pretty entertaining.